Today I'm going to do a very quick video because I've got one bar of the battery left. I'm going to show you how I wash my bike. It's a very simple thing to do, but when I first had my bike I was like, how on earth do I wash it? Jay washes his bike very differently to me, but I want to show you how I do mine. So get your dirty bike and wear some old clothes that you don't mind getting oil all over, and then we have bucket of water, which has basically got a little bit of like eco washing up liquid, so nothing too harsh, a couple of sponges, and I've got some of this like cheap dirty bike spray. I think that one's a pound. I normally get the muck off one, but we've run out, so that's the cheap one that I'm using. So what I do first off is, and people are going to be like, what on earth are you doing? I always flip my bike over. Just what I do. That's just how I've always done it, and I find it easy to do it like that, to get the wheels off so you're not balancing all your derailleur hanger and stuff like that on the floor. So this is what I do. Take the wheel off. Take the back wheel off. While I wash the main bike, what I do is I basically spritz these with this spray just so that they can be kind of cleaning as I clean the bikes. And I'm not saying this is the best way to ever clean a bike, but this is just how I do it and how I find works best for me. And then what I do is I basically just spritz all like the really grubby parts with this spray. My actual bike at the minute is only dirty as in like a bit of like dirt. And what I mean is it's not like oily dirt on kind of the chain and all of the components, so it's not that bad. Normally what I would do is I'd spray like GT85, that kind of stuff on that and let it dissolve off. But today I don't need to because it is just basically like a little bit grubby just from the road dirt, so I'm not going to be doing that today. But if I did do that, I'd you basically get two nail brushes like that, put them together and put your chain in the middle and just like clean it. Spray some like dissolvent on there and then clean it, but I'm not doing that today. So what I do, just quickly spritz this. Like this bike is dirty, it's so grubby. Just spray it with that. And then I've got to be quick because I ain't got much battery left. So then what I do while that one is going, I get a sponge and basically just rinse all that off from the tyre. Sorry, I'm kind of off camera. So yeah, just do that there. This is like the quick wash. I don't do it particularly really thoroughly, but I do try and do it more often and not as thorough, if that makes sense. Because it doesn't get as bad. Whereas before, when I never used to wash it, it would get so bad it would take me like a good 30 minutes, 40 minutes to clean. And then for the cassette, get one of these long brushes like that. You just basically do it the back way, because if you go that way it'll just roll. So get it against itself and then just start scrubbing in there. And then while that's just kind of letting all the soap drip off it, and then get to work on the frame. And then when that's done, put the wheels back on, flip it back over, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do. Now I'll basically wash it from the top, because obviously when it's upside down you get loads of the grub, the dirt, but that makes you able to clean kind of the underside of the bike. And then now I'm just going to basically clean the rest of it. One very quick tip is if you put your wheel in when it's upside down, what you want to do is loosen it off again when it's the right way up. Just to make sure, I always do it just to make sure that it's actually sat in the frame properly, because sometimes when it's upside down it doesn't sit properly in the holes for it, so just make sure it is sat right, otherwise your gears aren't going to be aligned properly, so just make sure it's definitely in right. And now is the last really good tip, because I live in an apartment and I can't just keep nipping out to get water because I'd have to leave my bike, this is the best tip. So you bring your bike down and you bring with it a bottle full of water, and then all you need to do to get all the suds off, just spray it. You use less water, you get more direct the way you want the water to go, and it rinses it off a treat. And I know there's going to be loads of people like that, even Jay, that will be like, that's not the right way to clean a bike, but that is the way I do it. So what I do now is I take it inside. I give it a little dry off with a towel, and then I put whatever lube I'm using, either dry lube in summer, like Squirt, or wet lube in winter, which obviously it is. So I'll go and put a tiny little bit, because I've not really scrubbed the chain, it doesn't need a lot on it. I'm just going to see if it still feels a little bit tacky, it'll be alright, but I always just put a tiny little bit on just to keep it running smoothly. And yeah, so that is how I clean a bike. Hope that's been informative, and if you've got any tips on how you clean a bike, let me know in the comments. If you've got any other tips, any other products that you really like to use. Yeah, that's it.